highest end in terms of picture quality and in terms of it really peaks the range, and really from a design standpoint, we want to match that in terms of how we communicate it through design. Again, those few elements that we talked about, the whole silhouette, and right now if you look in its full glory, as you always call it within the design team, when you see the three-sided Ambilight really shaping and forming the impression of the silhouette. The lightness comes in as well with little details of trimming that it makes more sense. Also, the use of metal, not only for the bezel, but also for the body as well, to achieve the kind of dimension superiority needed for this part of the range. You'll notice that there's a soundbar at the bottom. We want to make it explicit because this is the best picture quality that Philips can offer, and to accompany it, also we want to make the sound more explicit in terms of good delivery. The stand, here in this case, tabletop, full metal, so cladding everything in a relevant material, really to portray the whole quality, the whole value of the 9000. Accompanying it, it's a 360 home theater system. This is the sound cubes, and it is obviously being aligned very much from a design, but also from an experiential point as well, the full home entertainment proposition.
So the 7000 series and the 8000 series then using edge lit. Again here then in the top of the performance with the LED Pro, we have in Bright Pro the backlit with 2D dimming. The menu also that you see here is then what the menu will look like in 2010. And here specifically then the way to set up your color of the back wall for the wall adaptive Ambilight. And again, the ability to then change color depending on what your wall is. So you are able to repaint your wall every weekend if you want to, and change the colors. For the rest, again, of course, top performance. I told you earlier about this is the menu, the heads-up ability to then quickly move through and browse through. Also an element here, so I have, for example, I want to add an additional device. Philips devices are automatically recognized and automatically installed. If I have another device that I, for example, want to add, I go through a simple quick menu. I can select a DVD player, or let's go VCR. Not many people have those anymore, but let's say we can connect a PC also. I connect and then basically asks which connector. It automatically has removed the connectors that are already taken by the other devices. Yeah. So HDMI 3 is not yet taken. I press close and now I have my computer. So I automatically then it changes to the computer input when I select. If I go back to my home screen, I select back to my Blu-ray player. Actually, it brings us back to the. So very simple, very easy for the user to just now with 2 button presses control the entire interaction of all the sources. Yeah? Then maybe we could take a small step back.